Configuring Bill4Time expense tracking is a straightforward process that helps you manage and track expenses efficiently. To get started, log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the Expenses section. First, you need to set up your expense categories, which are used to classify and organize your expenses. To do this, click on the Categories tab and then click on the Add Category button. Enter the name and description of the category and click Save. You can create as many categories as you need to suit your business requirements. Next, you need to set up your expense accounts, which are the accounts from which you will be reimbursing your expenses. To do this, click on the Accounts tab and then click on the Add Account button. Enter the account name, description, and other relevant details and click Save. Now that you have set up your expense categories and accounts, you can start tracking your expenses. To do this, click on the Expenses tab and then click on the Add Expense button. Enter the date, category, account, and amount of the expense, and add any relevant notes or attachments. You can also assign the expense to a specific project or client. To make expense tracking more efficient, you can also set up expense rules, which are used to automatically assign expenses to specific categories or accounts. To do this, click on the Rules tab and then click on the Add Rule button. Enter the rule name, category, account, and other relevant details and click Save. Another important feature of Bill4Time expense tracking is the ability to generate expense reports. To do this, click on the Reports tab and then select the Expenses report. Choose the date range and other relevant filters and click Generate Report. You can then use this report to analyze your expenses and make informed decisions. Best practices for configuring Bill4Time expense tracking include setting up clear and concise expense categories and accounts, regularly reviewing and updating your expense rules, and generating expense reports on a regular basis. By following these best practices and using the features and functions of Bill4Time expense tracking, you can streamline your expense management process and improve your overall financial management.